Okay, ladies, I think I'm back. My internet just dropped out, which is very frustrating. Okay, so we need 6 1/4 on the white by 4 1/4. Hopefully you will find me back here. Oh, somebody's found me. Hopefully everyone else finds me too. Okay. Hi, Renee. So we need this green piece here. My internet dropped out. Hi, Christina. Hi, Jean. Welcome back, everybody. That piece goes there. Isn't that piece? What's this piece? No, it's me. Sorry, ladies. Okay, so we want these strips, not those strips. We want these strips. These strips. Did I cut? I thought it was you. No. Did I cut this piece? Yes. So this, we want them. We want one of them. And where's the red? Want one of them. And we want this and this and those. I think is what we want. So this goes there, that goes there. Now, how are we doing this? The thin one goes there. The thick one goes there. That thin one's not long enough though. Oh, do I have it? Does that fit that way better? Yep, I've got this round the wrong way. Okay. Okay, so that goes there, that goes there. Then we've got the thin one of the green. We've got 2 thin ones of the green. And then the brown goes in between these 2 here. And the thin brown goes up the top. Then that one goes there. That one goes there. I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then that sits over like that. Okay, so we just need to stick these bits together. How long was I talking to myself before I realised? A little bit, then my iPad went blank and I'm like, it doesn't go blank unless something's happened up the top. And then I looked at my phone going, oh shit. Anyways, assemble the woven corner on the left, adhere the bottom. Okay, well, let's look at this picture and work out which bits go which. I've got my seal. I think you only missed me cutting, because Megan sent me a message saying that I froze on the red, so you only missed me cutting some white. And then I'm like, oh crap. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Let's stick some adhesive on. I'm only going to get this one sheet done, I can tell you. All right, so we're sticking some adhesive down, and this goes over that for this piece. And the green goes under. That goes over. And that goes under. Okay. So now, if I stick this red piece down, I'm only putting adhesive to like stick it down and not the woven bit. We can deal with the woven bit later. That then goes here. Then it's the green. And then it's these. Oh, come on. This is quite thick paper. Okay, so that's done there. Then we do the pool party one here. And then we do the green. And then we do the red. All right. So that's done. Now, this red goes over pool party, under green, over that, and under that. Okay, so that one's done. Then the green goes under pool party. Over the green, under this. Yep. And then that must have to go under. Hi, Denise. Okay, so now we can stick those bits down up here. Okay, well that was quite difficult, let's be honest. And then this gets stuck down. It does have measurements on here like 1 1/4 inches in and blah, blah, blah. I'm eyeballing it. I dropped out too, Denise. Don't stress. Okay. Okay. That kind of goes there. These all kind of fit here. I feel like I've got too much room here, but we will go with what we've got. And I feel that is where the 3x3 photo mount goes, and that goes there. Okay. You could put that on dimensionals. I'm not. Okay. And then there is this thing. Enjoy the season. That could probably be stuck on with dimensionals. But I'm not. And then we've got some die cuts for some holly. Oh, there it is. Oh. No, the holly's a sticker. The holly is a sticker. A thick, thick sticker. Which you probably don't want to stick on until after you've done the photo, but anyway, I'll just place it there. So that is the first page done. First page. Have I dropped out again? Nope, we're just slow. Next page. The green again, and this time we are wanting some more of the 3x3. You want a red in the, oh, we've got a white piece again. Where did I put the white piece? Um, 10.5. Let's make sure I've got this the right way. 11. So the 11 side is like this. And we've got red in the middle. Pool party here. What else have we got? This brown up here. And the lights here. And the rest must be photos. Okay, and then it's got these strips here of white are for journaling, and you stick them on here. Yeah, don't know about that. And we've got the stickers. So, oh, is that one family? The trees and it's the mum and the baby with the two trees. There's that tree. Oh, you stick these two trees together. Oh, this is 3 stickers. Good Lord. Okay. So we've got the green tree here. Then we've got this green tree here. And then we've got this. That's probably down a bit too low, but anyway. Stick them on there. And making sure we've got even. You could sit here and measure it, but we all know I'm not going to do that. They look about even. Whoops. Oh, I thought I done that the wrong way then. There we go, and stick them up the top there. And this then gets stuck down. Oops. And let's stick this next to that so that I can somewhat line it up, because I don't measure. Right. Well, that's our first layout done. First double layout. And I think that's all we're going to get done tonight, because that's the hour and we're already in 2 videos. But that wasn't too bad once I worked out how to do the measurements and how to read the measurements. And I've got everything cut for the next 2 things, so I could probably put them together quite easily. But we're not going to do that tonight, because I do have to get up at 4 a.m. So, thank you everyone for watching. I don't know whether I will be on next week, because I am technically on holidays next week. So, we will see. See, that can go there. And that goes there. That's what these are for. Yes, so I'm on holidays next week. I will see whether I will come on the Monday night or not, but that's why I definitely wanted to come on tonight and see everyone, so that I didn't have 2 weeks off in a row. But have a lovely week, and thank you everyone for joining, and see you next time. Bye.